Okay, I did not go down. I was making some Urdu video recording lectures for the non-Muslims in relation to the control of the universe and clouds. So, what Allah did, Allah transformed the weather once again during my lectures and recordings, and you can see that now the raining has been stopped and the weather is very hot. Weather is very hot, becoming hot again. So, if you if you carefully looked, there was written Lillah in Arabic. Did you notice? If you did not notice, then you can reverse the video and check again. That moment I started this video, you will see that. So what I am telling here right now is that Allah transformed the weather and increased the heat of sun. Allah increased the heat of sun, transformed the weather once again, and from the cool weather it is now becoming a hot weather. At least for now, because I was recording a lecture and I was telling regarding the transformation of weather, that it is always done by Allah. So Allah did it and stopped the raining and transformed the weather by His command. And you can see that view with the clouds. Okay, it's the 4-angle views I am showing you from for all sides. Okay, this is just to tell you and demonstrate you that when I tells about our Allah, I prefer the real world footages, because there is so much fake work happening in the name of gods and science, in the name of computer and graphics. So the things should be real, because Allah is real. Lillah.